We treat our pets like family, and while we love all of our family members, we don't love the hair they leave behind. Their hair is everywhere, in your bed, on your furniture, and all over your floor. It's not the look you're going for, but it is possible to have a spotless home with ZeLo. ZeLo is a premium line of multi-surface lint rollers specifically designed to remove pet hair, dander, and allergens. ZeLo is made by Nito, a global Japanese company. Nito has been developing and manufacturing lint rollers in Japan for nearly 40 years and are the makers of Japan's top-selling lint roller. And now, the same innovative technology is coming to the US in ZeLo. ZeLo is not just another lint roller. It's a cleaning tool that is made by science. ZeLo has 3 core values: quality of life for pets, quality of life for humans, and quality of products. Our pets are our family. We believe that they deserve a high quality of life. We believe in creating products that contribute to a cleaner and healthier lifestyle for humans. And we also believe in a high quality of life for our Nito family. That's why our products are made ethically in our own factories in Japan. Lastly, we believe in quality products. ZeLo is designed and tested in our own labs to ensure they are of the highest quality and built to last. ZeLo products offer quality Japanese technology in a simple way that fits your lifestyle, because your family deserves the best.